How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So again, I always say this at the start of my hickey videos. I know this is not fitness related. This is a fitness channel. But again, hickey's a very, very popular topic on my channel. So that's why I keep making these videos. And so today we're gonna pick a subscriber question and then we're gonna go over it. I got so many subscriber questions. There's gonna be lots of videos on this. So basically this subscriber wants to know, will makeup work? I kind of did a similar video to this before, but it's a little bit different. Here's the thing, makeup is a lifesaver. I mean, girls use it all the time to hide blemishes, hide pimples, make their face look better. And oh my God, there are some girls that when they're using makeup, when their makeup's on, it's like, whoa. And then when they take it off, you're like, what the heck happened? It's so weird. It's like night and day, complete freaking difference. So will makeup work? Hell yeah, it'll work. Why wouldn't it? Makeup hides blemishes. Makeup, in my opinion, is one of the best things that you can do for a hickey. Even if you're a dude, if you're a guy out there and you're too afraid to use makeup, try it out. I've used makeup before. I had pretty bad cold sore. It looked awful. I asked my wife if I could borrow some of her makeup. She gave me a little drop on my finger. I put it on and holy crap, you could barely see it. I'm like, makeup is awesome. Like, this is sick. And it's not just for girls, like dudes can wear it too. And that dudes can wear it if they have a couple pimples or like a cold sore. I mean, something bad, but guys shouldn't be like just using it all over their face. I mean, you can nowadays, whatever you want to do, whatever you're into. But yeah, it's just, it's good for hiding blemishes and it will work to cover up your hickey. What I always say though in my videos is I have the perfect solution, and I don't think anyone really tells this on YouTube except for me, for hickey videos anyways. The perfect strategy for me, and this eliminates the makeup. You won't need to put makeup on for 2 to 3 days. It just completely eliminates the hickey. And that's rub it with a coin or a spoon. Literally, wherever the hickey is, put a moderate amount of pressure, not too hard that you hurt yourself and not too light where you don't do anything, but a moderate amount of pressure and rub with a coin or a spoon for 2 minutes. That's all you gotta do. With 90% of people, it will be completely gone after 2 minutes. If you're an exception, try 5 minutes. This is straight too, 2 minutes straight. Put a timer on your phone and again, 2 minutes straight. Here's what's gonna happen. Your neck, it's gonna be super, super red, completely fine. The redness goes away in about 10 minutes along with the hickey. This works for everyone. There's no exceptions. Try it out, guaranteed it'll work. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks.